Hi everyone. I know you know my daughter Lisa by now. She's got a wonderful new recipe for...
This is going to be the Dubai chocolate brownies.
So she's going to do this and I'm going to watch her.
So what we're going to do is we're going to take a half a stick of butter because we're just trying to figure it out right now. We're not exactly sure. Since we're back, I got a few things done while you were gone. We took the Kataifi and we added the butter. We toasted it and then we added in our pistachio cream to it. So after we did that, now we're going to go ahead and add it to our brownies. And that looks so good. I must be weak. That's heavy. Okay. So I'm trying to get out everything we can in the pan here. So I don't want to miss none of that. That was all good. So we're going to go ahead and spread that on top of our brownies. That looks good, doesn't it? I'm going to get this even all over it. What do you think? That looks good? I almost got it. Just got to get that corner right there.
Give me a spoonful for...
I already did. It's right there.
That's good. Good. Okay.
So, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make a chocolate ganache to go over this. And the easiest way to do that is to do a 50-50 mix. So we're going to do 50%. When you buy a bag of chocolate chips, this one I know is 2 cups. So we're going to put that in there. And then we are going to pour over cream. This cream, I got it really, really hot. I put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour that in there. Then we're going to wait 3 minutes. And then we're going to start stirring it to make our nice ganache. And this one is one that will spread evenly. It's nice. It's not too thick. It's perfect for what we're wanting to do here. Because there are different ways you can make ganache. But I think this one will be the perfect texture for this. And we're going to have to wait.
Oh, that sounds good.
Wait a couple minutes. You want to come back?
Huh?
You want to come back?
No.
Okay, we're going to wait.
Well, see how much it's already melted. Probably it's already melted a lot. Yeah,
it definitely has.
Yeah, it's melting.
It takes about 2 to 3 minutes. So, well, yeah, that's starting to work. We are going to put a little bit of vanilla in it. This is homemade vanilla. And we're going to add a little bit of chocolate. I always put it in the palm of my hand so that I can measure it out exactly the way I want it. Looks to me like that's just a dash, so you can put in the amount you want. It makes the chocolate taste a little bit better. Adds a sprinkle of tastiness to it. So we're going to mix this around until it starts to become like chocolate.
Will they get hard?
Yes, this will. With a 50-50 mix, evenly mixed, it is supposed to set up so that it will be soft, but it won't be too hard. So we got that ready. And next what we're going to do is we're going to pour it on. But I want to pack this down so that it's nice before I put this ganache over it. So I don't want it going in between it or anything like that. I want it to pour over top of it so that it looks perfect.
Yeah.
We like perfect desserts.
Yeah, right.
So now what we're going to do is we're just going to pour this over top of it, and then we're going to refrigerate for about an hour, so it'll give it time to set up.
Just letting the phone.
Yep. Okay, now that that's ready, does that look good and mixed?
Huh?
Does that look good and mixed to you?
It looks good to me.
Okay.
It looks the right color.
So now we're just going to pour it over it. You can see how this would be really good with strawberries. If you added some strawberries with it, that would be very good.
Go ahead and put it all on since you just have a little bit later.
Well, that's kind of thick. Are you sure?
I don't know. It won't cover up that.
Well, you might have a point. Let's try it on there. I don't want it too thick. I want it to be a nice little amount. But
Well, I do think that looks better.
Okay, yeah, that does look better. Okay, so now this is going to go into the refrigerator for at least an hour.
And we'll be back.
As you can see, it's turned out beautiful. We're going to cut a piece and see what it tastes like. We did have to get it good and cold, so hope I got that good. Well, it is delicious. I think it's definitely worth making. I hope you make it.
Oh my goodness, yeah.
As you can see, it's got the knauf, the brownie, and then the chocolate on top.
Paul, taste it.
That's good.
It's a win.
It's a win.
Try it yourself.
Sign up. Well, I'm glad you stayed with us, and this will be a hit no matter where you go. Take care. We'll see you soon. Remember the joy.